Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences.
In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to set up your Linksys RE3000W range extender. You'll learn how to connect it to your existing Wi-Fi network using both the web-based setup and the WPS method. By the end, your Wi-Fi coverage will be extended, ensuring a stronger connection in hard-to-reach areas of your home. Follow along to improve your Wi-Fi signal easily. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. Inside the Linksys RE3000W Extender box, you'll find the range extender itself, which is compact and designed to plug directly into a wall outlet. It also comes with a quick start guide to help with the setup process. There is no need for any additional cables, as the extender connects wirelessly to your existing Wi-Fi network. So let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the RE3000W into a power outlet near your router for initial setup. Use your computer or smartphone to connect to the extender's default SSID, which will typically appear as Linksys Extender Setup. Once connected, open a browser and go to the default IP address of the extender, typically http://192.168.1.1 or http://extender.linksys.com. If prompted, use default login credentials, admin for both username and password, unless changed. Once the Linksys RE3000W Extender setup page appears, select the option to extend wireless network. A list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear. Choose your main router's SSID and enter its password. After confirming the connection details, assign a unique SSID for the extended network or keep it the same as your primary network. Keeping the same SSID allows seamless roaming between networks. Once the setup is complete, unplug the extender and move it to a halfway point between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. Ensure it's within the range of your main router but close enough to the target coverage area. After repositioning, reconnect your devices to the extender network. You can check signal strength and speed using a Wi-Fi Analyzer app to ensure optimal placement. So in the next step we will discuss the WPS setup. WPS, Wi-Fi Protected Setup, is a feature that makes it easy to connect devices to a Wi-Fi network without entering a password. By pressing the WPS button on your router and the device, like a range extender or printer, they automatically pair securely. It's a quick and simple way to add devices to your network. Plug in the Linksys RE3000W Wi-Fi range extender and wait for the WPS LED to blink. Locate the WPS button on your main router. It usually has an icon that looks like two arrows forming a circle or just labeled WPS. Press and hold the button for a few seconds. Within 2 minutes of pressing the WPS button on your router, press the WPS button on your RE3000W extender. The WPS button is usually on the side of the extender. The light on the extender will blink, indicating that it's trying to connect to the router. After a few moments, the WPS light on the extender will turn solid, which means it has successfully connected to your router. If the connection fails, you can repeat the process by pressing the WPS buttons again. Once connected, unplug the extender and place it halfway between your router and the area where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Plug it back in and check the signal. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.